with this puzzle. Where's number 1? I wonder where number 1 could be.
1.
Where's number 1? Number 1! And I think, does that go in there with 1 elephant? Look, 1 elephant. And what goes where the 2 turtles are? I think it's number 2. Well done! And what do we have here? 3 penguins. Where's number 3? Can you find it? Oh, well done. Can you put it inside? Where the 3 penguins are. Clever boy.
Penguins.
And what are they? Hedgehogs. We've got 4 hedgehogs. Where's number 4? I think it's this one. It goes in there where the 4 hedgehogs are, look. Well done. It's a bit tricky to get in that one, isn't it? What goes in there? Is that number 5? And we have 5 crabs. Oh, well done. You found it. And then look, we've got some shapes. And we've got some more numbers. So can you find number 6 for where the 6 caterpillars are? That's number 7. I think this one's number 6. Or is this one number 9?
That's
It's a tricky one.
Tricky one.
It's a tricky one. It could be number 6 or it could be number 9. Let's have a look. It might be this one. That's number 6. That's number 7, where the bees are. Look, we have 7 bees. Number 7. And then we have 8 ducks.
That goes to 8.
That's not number 8. Where's number 8? Up here. Can you find it? Which one's number 8?
Which one to go? That.
There's number 8. There we go. And then we've got number 9. What's under number 9? 9 fishes. And number 10. 10 carrots. And what shape have you got there? A square. Well done. And then we have a hexagon. That's it. It's a bit fiddly. Well done. And then what shape do we have? A circle. And a diamond. And a triangle. Well done. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have a triangle, a diamond, a circle, a square, and a hexagon.